friends, my name is Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. It is a new year, and I hope you're feeling freshly committed to singing a lot this year and working on and playing with your voice. Here are a bunch of great vocal warm-ups for the new year, many of which are new for us. As always, the warm-ups are listed below. Hang in there the best that you can as I get to the extremes of your range, but you can always switch octaves if you need to. Check in for a moment with your body. Make sure that you're aligned and balanced. Allow your spine, neck, and head to be aligned with the right amount of support and the right amount of relaxation. Let's take a low breath, allowing your abdomen to expand on the inhale and exhale. One more time. This time engaging the breathing muscles, saying ha, 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 ha. Make sure we're gently activating those same muscles as we sing. We're going to start on a key sound like For this next exercise, we're going to hum. Teeth are apart, lips are together. The pattern sounds like this. Moving now from a hum to open vowels, we're going to sing on o, ah, like In case you haven't heard, I've published a mobile app for singers. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. It's available on all platforms, and it's very convenient to use. As of right now, the beginning of 2025, there are 58 different playlists, which means 625 separate warm-ups available to you. You can save your favorites for offline use, We have more features coming soon. The links are below. For this next vocal warm-up, think of a connected, gentle breath as we move from an E to an E to an A glide, like take your time. Relaxing downward now, we're going to sing on ooh, oh, ah, like to a bit of flexibility. We're going to sing on ni, ne, na, no, nu, like ni, ne, na, no, nu, 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 ni, ne, na, no, nu. We're going to sing on the sound gaila, aiming for a very relaxed tongue and jaw that move together. We're going to sing gaila, 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 This next vocal warm-up is one of my favorites for relaxation and open flow. We're going to sing on Thoh, ah on this pattern. Thoh, ah. now as we stretch our range with yo ho ho. Keep separation between the notes. We want to pulse the breath just a little bit. We're exaggerating the breath engagement ever so slightly for coordination's sake. We're going to sing yo ho 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 ho, 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 yo ho 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 ho, yo 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 ho 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 ho, Let's sigh down together. This last exercise is going to provide a little bit of a challenge with onsets, especially as we get a little bit higher in our range. Make sure you're focusing on breath engagement at the beginning of each set. These high onsets can be kind of challenging, so let go of any judgment and just allow yourself to go outside your comfort zone. We're going to sing on the sounds sing, ah, like this. Sing, ah. We'll start pretty low, we'll go pretty high. Here we go. Sing, ah. Sing, ah. Sing, ah. Sing, ah. Sing, ah. Sing, ah. Sing, and let's just end with a little bit of relaxation on va, like Thank you as always for joining me. I appreciate it when you like and subscribe and comment and share this with a friend. Make sure to hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified each time I publish a new video. I have some great things coming this year. Also, don't forget to check out my app. It's linked below. Keep singing. I'll see you next time.